Hello guys and welcome back to this new video. Today we are going to learn how to make a Facebook banner as a beginner designer. We will use the platform canva.com to make our Facebook banner. First, what you need to do is just go on canva.com, choose Facebook cover. We are going to be making a Facebook cover for a marketing agency that's called NJ Marketing Agency. So going to be making a Facebook banner for them. What we need is a logo. From the logo, we will have our different colors that we need to use in our design. So now we have all our different titles that we're working on. We're now going to look for images that we are going to use. Firstly, I will try to use my existing images. So marketing digital simple. So I'm going to upload some of the backgrounds I downloaded from free pics. So just move a little bit. I love this and two. It's taking a lot of time to download. So the second one. And the third.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless. A sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it. And I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah, don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. Just want a life that is
I've
worth
really
every day
forgotten to
enduring.
put the phone number just down. I don't know why. So let us put the phone number because I think without it, it will not be easy to have phone calls.
Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great.
So So, thank you for watching this video on the creation of Facebook banner. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video and leave a comment in the comment section below. See you next in the next video that will be still design. Bye. It was Belkisu from NJ Marketing Agency.